All right, guys, welcome to Zopair, hybrid quantitative trading system based on artificial intelligence for the strategic exploitation of order flow and liquidity in the crypto markets. Let's see here, I get everything to move smoothly. Analysis of 160 real operations. The evaluation of 160 real operations demonstrates stable and repeatable system behavior. Zopair AI operates with altcoins in scalping in trade mode with an average position duration between 15 minutes and 8 hours. The system does not follow a specific directional trend, operating geometrically in both long and short, dynamically adapted to marketing conditions. So simple, it's an AI trading bot, right, for crypto. So you can get into all the technical things. A lot of people are not going to understand this, but you will follow along and understand how it works and how you can benefit. System performance, 86 to 92% success rate, percentage of winning trades observed during the analysis period. Minimum take home profit 0.25, average profit target per trade, maximum take home profit 1.20, upper range of profits obtained. And this is per trade, right? So that is absolutely outstanding. System classification, hybrid quantitative model based on artificial intelligence for advanced financial market analysis. Order flow leveraging analysis of order flow to identify institutional movements, liquidity analysis, detection of liquidity patterns, and market manipulation. And a lot of people aren't going to know what a lot of this means, and you really don't have to. I'm just going through the slides and some of the presentation here. It's simple. You want to earn profits. You're not a trader. You hook your API link to your personal exchange, and then you win. You set, your risk tolerance and all that, and then you just watch your account grow. And you can also refer people to earn up to 40%. I mean, that's the simple uh, pitch there for everyone looking at this opportunity with Zopar. The system is not primarily based on classic indicators, but on market microstructure signals such as order flow, liquidity, and volume. This institutional approach allows anticipating movements before they become evident in traditional charts. And again, this is going to be a lot of technical information that a lot of people aren't going to understand. Some people will understand it. That's why I'm making the video and going through it. Six-level decision architecture. So you have the different levels of order flow, market structure, smart money, correlation with BTC, AI-based probability, execution moment. So the decision process consists of six levels that work in synergy. An operation is executed only when L1, L2, and L3 coincide simultaneously, ensuring high probability of success. Logical operational procedure, liquidity manipulation, sweeping liquidity zones to trigger stop loss, uh, institutional absorption, institutional traders accumulate positions, zone retests, price returns to the manipulated zone, entry, execution of a trade at the optimal moment, profit taking, which is the important part, which I know you're going to like, closing with closed profits, instructional stop loss. So there is a stop loss, and that's just a smart thing to do when trading, right? Set your risk and stop loss, which can be set automatically. Hook your API to your exchange, and then just watch your account grow. Strategic characteristics, high probability micro scalping, pattern based approach, symmetric, excuse me, risk management. So strategy focused on high probability operations with reduced duration. The goal is to accumulate many small gains while keeping losses limited and controlled. That's super important, guys. And decisions do not derive from the traditional technical indicators, but from recognition of recurrent patterns in market microstructure and institutional behavior. So, like I'm saying, a lot of people aren't going to know what a lot of this means, technical language here. But for traders that are looking at this and wanting to connect with Zopair, they will understand perfectly. More than I do, actually. Operational system limits. The system efficiency decreases under specific market conditions that alter normal liquidity and order flow patterns. So you have strong trends without retests, relevant news, insufficient liquidity. That means in assets with low volume, order flow signals become less reliable and slippage increases. Under these conditions, the system automatically reduces its operability or refrains completely from trading. So you're protected here when you're doing your trading. Competitive advantages are operational consistency. System operates in repeatable and systematic way, eliminating emotionally and impulsive decisions typical of manual trading, right? So that is a big deal 'cause a lot of people get into emotional trading and they lose money or they don't know what they're doing. Here, it's all set for you. AI validation, artificial intelligence analyzes thousands of historical patterns to validate the probability of success of each operation before execution. Really important. Uh, Institutional approach. It leverages the same patterns used by large market players, positioning itself on the institutional side rather than against them. Risk management, structural stop loss, and optimized take profits ensure a favorable risk reward ratio in every trade. So, conclusion here, verified system, hybrid technology, professional approach. So, 160 real trades demonstrate consistent and repeatable performance, combines quantitative analysis and advanced artificial intelligence, non-random based on verified institutional patterns. After analyzing 160 trades, Zopair AI can be classified as a hybrid quantitative trading system that leverages predictable liquidity patterns through order flow, market structure, and AI-guided validation. The system operates consistently reproductive. Some of these words are insane. In institutional approach, without relying on traditional technical indicators, its effectiveness stems from its ability to identify and capitalize on liquidity manipulations before they become evident to the retail market. And so I just wanted to go through this and read through the deck because I had it. Like I said, this is about to launch. The demo is doing amazing. I'm going to make another video showing the demo here shortly. But thanks for tuning in, and that's the conclusion with Zopair.